ye, simajami lo idala. Mawe ye, simajami lo idala. We are muziki. We are muziki. Kala ikuige. Folks, after that rousing, welcome to Friday. Jeez, I love that song, man. I used to kick to that song. Hopefully it was a good rendition of my guy's Wenge Musica. Anyway, it's Friday. You're seeing this face. Let us make our cocktail. We are gonna make our Mai Tai. Stay with me on this one. It's a jiggy kind of day. It's raining out. I feel like entertaining you. Let's make a Mai Tai. Alrighty, folks. For that Mai Tai, authentic Mai Tai, highball glass, shaker with ice, mint sprigs for garnishing. This calls for white rum and dark rum. Stay with me on this one. So, white rum, orange liqueur. I'm using Cointreau. We're gonna need the juice of 1 lime, and we're gonna need Orgeat syrup. This is simple syrup made with almond. It's very, very crucial for authentic Mai Tai. You need this syrup. Dark rum. Play some music if you want to. I already got myself going. Alright, let's get this drink going. So, 1.5 ounces of white rum, clear rum, goes right in the shaker with ice. We're going to do 3/4 ounces of orange liqueur right in there. Three-quarter ounces of fresh lime. Folks, with this one, I just use juice of 1 lime. And then I'm gonna take off my garnish wheel. Set that right there. We're gonna squeeze that directly into our shaker. Goes in there. God, I feel like keep dancing, man. That song gets me. I like me some rumba, some lingala. Ooh. Yeah. Alright. I should do it. Then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of the almond syrup. Folks, normally I'd make my my own syrup, but this one seems to be a little complicated. Ready to give it a shake. Give it a nice shake. Play that song. Shake. Get my glass ready. Cocktail ice goes right in there. Get my glass ready to go. Then, folks, that is just gonna strain right. Shaker right there. Fill it up with some ice. It looks beautiful. Then we're gonna float 1/2 ounce of dark rum right over there. Now, floating, get a spoon, put it on there, pour it out. Boom! For my garnish, wait. And there we have a Mai Tai. Alrighty, folks, let's give this a taste. You want to get a straw so you can go down to the white rum and whatever we started first, because the dark rum is just floating up there. If you taste it, you're just going to get the dark rum. Well, the good stuff. Let's give it a shot. Let's give it a shot. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. So remember, you can make a Mai Tai